Corsair announced financial results for the fiscal year ending December 31, 2021. The company's net revenue was $1,904.1 million, an increase of 11.8% year-over-year. This was driven by increased gamer and creator peripherals revenue, $647.2 million, and gaming components and systems revenue, $1,256.9 million. Corsair is pleased with their strong financial performance to conclude 2021. Despite the continued logistical and supply chain challenges impacting markets, including the lack of availability of reasonably priced GPUs in the retail channel, they experienced healthy growth over 2020 in both their operating segments. Their gamer and creator peripherals segment grew 20% year-over-year, demonstrating the underlying secular growth trends in the overall gaming, esports, content creator and streaming hardware and services market. Corsair remains focused on growth following the transformation of their debt levels and cost management efficiencies over the past few years. They are currently expecting net revenue in the range of $1.9 billion to $2.1 billion.